Hey, Keston. What are we doing?
Walking.
But more specifically,
Walking.
we're going down how many stairs?
What?
Hello.
Hi.
Oh gosh, how far back does it go?
That's where I'm at.
So we just went in one cave, we passed it, and that was a smaller cave. Now we're walking down the trail, or along the trail. Keston found a fishing lure at the last cave, and it had a little pond in it. Maybe when we go back I'll show you. Now we're going to the big one, and they said you can walk into that one. The one oh my gosh, look how cool this is. I think we're on top of the cave. I think that's the bottom of it. But, oh, careful. Yeah. So I think we want to go down. Oh my gosh. Okay. Keston, do you want to turn on your flashlight? So I can keep recording and
Where are we going?
What do you think? Should we go in? I think we should. Okay, you lead the way. You're the man.
This is how we die.
This is not how we die. Did you bring a knife? We could carve our names into the side.
I'm not carving my name.
Here. Then I will. Give me your phone. Okay.
Be careful. Very slippery.
Woo!
Yeah, no.
Okay, let go.
No.
I think it's gonna take us down to. I'm gonna pause the video so that I can hold on to it. So we just went into the cave. Keston was a little scared, but he went.
I'm a baby.
And we came to the end, and it just went to like a little dead-end wall. But it was pretty cool, pretty fun stuff we're finding out here. Are you enjoying the walk?
Sure.
Yep, so now we have to hike all the way back. We'll go by another waterfall. Okay, so we're at the entrance of cave 2. I turned my flash on to hopefully be able to show you the water that's down in here. So, looks like there might be something in there. Oh, those are sticks. Oops, but you can see, yeah, you can see it along there. There's just a pool of water. All right, so we just came from the cave, and now we're walking back to where the waterfall is. So we're coming kind of, you can see it up there, that's the top. We're coming at it from the side instead of from the bottom. And there she is, the beautiful waterfall. It goes down. Beautiful.